All right, this is page 2, or exercise 2, bass clef exercises for grade 1 music theory. The first question asks us to give the letter names of the notes marked with a star. Those notes are E, G, B, F, D, C, and A. Again, that's E, G, B, F, D, C, and A. Question 2 says, draw a circle around middle C in the melody. So middle C in the bass clef is above the staff on the first ledger line, meaning middle C. Next, we have to count the number of G's in the melody. We have 1, 2, and 3 G's in our melody. So our correct answer is 3. What is the note on the middle line of the bass clef? So that's asking us for this line right here. So on the bass clef, we have G, B, D. So our correct answer is D. The 2 dots on the bass clef are either side of the line, which shows which note. So on the bass clef, we have our 2 dots, and it shows us this line, meaning that we have the F line, the F line. So as we answer our question, it's asking us, or we would say that we have F. Then for number 6, draw the correct clefs, treble clef or bass clef. The first one has been done for us, which is bass clef. Next, remembering how we draw our treble clefs from our first page, we have G, which is on a treble clef in this instance. So we draw our clef. Then C, when it's above on the first line, means we are in the bass clef. B on the middle line is also then the treble clef. For F on the top line, that would be the treble clef again. C, when we are below the line, is going to be on the treble clef. E on the third line is the bass clef. And finally, A on the top line is the bass clef. So again, we should have treble clef, bass clef, treble clef, treble clef, treble clef, bass clef, and bass clef. There we have the answers to page 2 bass clef exercises for grade 1 music theory.